wrench in. I like to pretend I'm a SEAL team operator. Let me show you what we're talking about. First thing, you want to identify the target. That's why I like my floodlight.
A down mode, single click, got a floodlight, single click up, spotlight mode. Contact!
Tango! Move out! Who knows? Maybe the SEAL team's looking for a badass 42-year-old automotive technician. It could happen.